square, and this is a square. Can you match? You want to help mommy match you?
No.
Like this, like this. Square to here. Square to here. That's square. Can we find the circle? Can we find the circle? Where is the circle? This one. Can you connect here and here? Connect. Circle. Woo! What is this shape? What is this shape? Can you look at this? What is the shape? Can you say triangle? You know the shapes. Okay, can we match the triangle?
No.
Can we match? Can you connect this one to this one?
Okay.
Okay. Ooh. Okay, the pentagon. The pentagon and the pentagon. Can you match it? Can you do it? Here to here. Can you do it? Can you make a line here to here? Can you do it? Here, the dot to here. That's the pentagon. Can you connect the star?
Here.
Here to here. Can you connect yourself? Here.
No, here.
No, that's the pentagon. That's pentagon. Can you connect the star? Star. Connect, connect, connect. Connect. This and this. Can you do it? Please. So that we could do color now. Come on. Can you do it? Oh, Zachary, are you done eating? Okay, good job. And now we could color. You want to color now?
Yes.
Can you match together? Can you do orange and orange for this?